Okay. We have a open elective subject for this semester, and in this semester we have a open elective, and you have chosen the web designing as your open elective subject. Open elective, we have 3 credits for a open elective. There is a evaluation ISC for a 10 mark, MSc examination, that is mid-sem examination for a 30 marks, ISC 2 exam for a 10 mark, and end-sem exam for a 20 marks. There is a no practical session. You have only theory. You can see here you have 3 hours lecture, 3 hours per week for a theory. There is a no practical session. Only we have only theoretical parts or a theory lectures for a web designing subject. Okay, all of you getting this one. Now I will show you syllabus. What are the contents in our syllabus? Okay. Title course is web designing. We have 3 hours lectures per week, and we are also having the 3 credits for a web designing. Course code is UOEL0637. Prerequisites for this one is the HTTP and HTML. I will also teach you HTML language, that is the hypertext markup language. Course objective is that to learn the basic user interface, how to create the user interface that user can easily access, how to develop a static and responsive web pages by using the HTML and CSS, to develop interactive website by using the jQuery and JavaScript, to learn how to host a particular website on our server. Now these are the COs, that is the course outcome. After the completion of the course, student will be able to apply the basic knowledge of a HTML and CSS to design the web pages. CO2, to create the attractive web pages. Students should be able to create a attractive web pages. CO3, students should be able to make use of a bootstrap technology to develop a responsive website. CO4, students should be able to design and host a website by using the JavaScript and jQuery technology. Okay, these are our COs. Now I will show you syllabus. We are having the 6th chapter for a web designing subject. In the first chapter, we will study HTML. HTML stands for a hypertext markup language, and this is the heart of the any web application. Means we can, whenever we are going to develop any web application, at that time you must know the HTML as well as you must have a command on a hypertext markup language to create structure of your web pages. In the first chapter, we'll study introduction, features of the HTML. What is the HTML? Which are the new tags are available within the HTML5, like nav tag, article, aside, header, footer, designing structure of your web page, new media tags like audio tag, video tag, canvas tag, introduction to HTML5 forms, how to create a HTML5 forms. You have already studied, you have seen this some web forms. Whenever you are going to design or submit any web forms, these web forms are created by using the HTML5 or any HTML languages. Okay. In the second chapter, we will study CSS. CSS stands for a cascading style sheet. What is use of a CSS? CSS is used to manage look and feel part of your web pages. Means how to design a web pages. This can be done by using the CSS. Means how to manage the color as well as the some formattings of your web pages. How to make your web pages attractive. Means CSS is used to manage look and feel part of your web pages. We will study all these things in the second chapter, that is the CSS. In the CSS, we will study the CSS selectors, attribute selector, first type, last type, element, like CSS3 properties, values, column font, shadow property, text property, rounded corner, box shadows, CSS gradients, CSS multiple backgrounds, opacity property, transient effect, transform effect, animation effect, CSS media queries using CSS3 in practical layout. In the third chapter, we will study bootstrap technology. Now, bootstrap technology is is very popular technology in the today's world. Why? It is required to make the web pages responsive. Means we can make the our web pages responsive, that is mobile first websites. Means in the earlier days there are websites, web pages are very large. These web pages are not fitted properly in our mobile devices. At that time we need to move to the our web pages need to move to the left side, right side. At that time we can do all these things, but now today's there is no need. Our web pages will automatically fit according to size of the screen. Means we can easily see our web pages within the desktop as well as laptop, as well as within our notepad, notebooks, as well as within the smartphone, as well as within the small size screen. Hello, Ishwari, please mute yourself. We can do all these things by using the bootstrap technology. Okay. Third one, JavaScript. What is the JavaScript? JavaScript is used to make your web pages interactive and dynamic. What is use of JavaScript? JavaScript is used to make your web pages dynamic and dynamic and interactive. Means suppose what is my interactive? Means suppose that you are doing this something, at that time your web page perform this some action or reaction, perform the some action on a response to this event. Means suppose that on a Flipkart or on Amazon you have seen that you are moving your mouse over the one image. At that time your mobile image will be zoomed out. Means if you are doing the one event or you're doing the one action like the moving the mouse over image, at that time what will happen? They are doing this some action, that is they are zooming out image, so you can see your mobile image or any other images with a large view. This can be done with the help of a JavaScript. As well as you can you have seen somewhere, suppose that you have entered the characters for a mobile number. At that time this is at that time they were showing them one message, please enter only number for a mobile number. At that time this one showing the one alert message, please enter only number. Means there is a validation done by using the JavaScript. So in the JavaScript we will study introduction to the client side scripting, introduction to the JavaScript types, variables, how to declare the variables in a JavaScript, operators are in JavaScript, how to apply the conditional statements, JavaScript loops like the each loop, for loop, while loop, do while loop, the JavaScript pop-ups, how to create the pop-up boxes, how to create the JS event, how to perform the handle the JS events, JavaScript arrays, working with array, JavaScript object, JavaScript functions, how to declare the functions within JavaScript. Okay, we will study all these things within the JavaScript. Now go to the fifth chapter number 5, jQuery and jQuery user interface. Within the chapter number 5 we will study jQuery features, how to install jQuery, jQuery syntax, jQuery ready function, jQuery selectors, jQuery actions, which are the available plugins, jQuery validation plugin, jQuery slideshow, drop down, user interface, jQuery UI, jQuery tabs, toolpicks, and autocomplete. We will study all these things within the chapter number 5. Now go to the chapter number 6, web hosting. Here we will study web hosting basics, type of hosting packages, registering domain, defining name server, user control panel, creating emails in cPanel, using FTP client, maintaining website, introduction to Joomla and WordPress, content management system. Okay, in this last chapter we will study how to deploy our website on a server, how to assign particular domain name for our website, and how to perform the linking of your domain name to your server. Okay, we will study all these things within our web designing subject. Okay, now today I will give you just introduction about your HTML. Now I will move to the chapter number 1, introduction to HTML. Hello, hello, is this visible to you? Hello, please check. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Introduction to HTML. Now, what is by HTML? HTML stands for a hypertext markup language. HTML stands for a hypertext markup language. HTML documents are simply text documents with a specific form. HTML documents are a text document with a specific form. Document is comprised of a content and markup tag. Every document is a combination of a content and markup tag. What is my content? Actual information being conveyed to the users. Means suppose that if you want to display one web page on this web page, you are going to display the name of our college like KIT Kolhapur, Kolhapur Institute of Technologies, College of Engineering, Kolhapur. This is actual content which we are going to display the one actual information, name of our college, that is the Kolhapur Institute of Technologies, College of Engineering, Kolhapur. This is called as a content, means actual information being conveyed to the users. Next, the mark every document is a combination of a content and markup tag. Content means actual information which will be displayed to the users is called as a content. Second one is that markup tag. The markup tag tells to our web browser how to display web pages to the users. Means suppose that we are going to display our text in a red color in the italic format. At that time we need to use some which is in the bold format. At that time we need to use some tag, and this tags tells our web browser how to display this data. Means if you are given the one tag h1, at that time this h1 tag tells to our web browser, please display this one in the heading h1. If you are using the color is equal to red, this tag tells to our web browser, please show all this text in the red color. Means the markup tag tells to the web browser how to display the pages. Okay, the HTML file must have an .html or .html file extension. If we are going to save any HTML file with a .html or .html file extension, and file can be created by using the simple text editor. You are already aware about that C program. Within the C programming, you are saving your files, or you have saved already this file with a .c extension. But if you have created an HTML file, at that time you must save this file with a .html or .html file extension. Okay, an HTML file can be created by using the simple text editor. You can use any text editor to create the file. HTML is a language for describing the web pages. HTML is a language for describing the web pages. Just wait for 1 minute. Okay. Hello. Am I able to play check? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. HTML is a language for describing your web page. HTML stands for a hypertext markup language. HTML is not a programming language. It is a markup language. This is the difference between other C language and your HTML language. Within the C language is a programming language, but HTML is a markup language. Please note down this difference carefully, because HTML is a markup language. Why I will say that? Programming language are applying the operation like the arithmetic, logical operation, but HTML is not applying any arithmetic or logical operations. In this C language, if you are given the two inputs, suppose that you have written the one program for addition of a two numbers. At that time, what you have done, you are accepting the two numbers. Number A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20. After that, you are performed the addition. Sum is equal to A plus B, and then you are displayed sum. At that time, what will happen? You are providing the two inputs 10 and 20, and this will display the output as a 30. As well as programming language need to perform the compilation. Okay, before the execution of any program, you first need to compile a program. What will happen during the compilation? Convert the machine code. Convert the source code to the machine code. Okay, this is called as a programming language. But what do you mean by markup language? Markup language is a collection of a markup tag, and HTML tag uses the, what is the purpose of a markup tag? Markup tag describe the web pages, how to display your web pages. Means suppose that I want to display the image there, I want to display the KIT College of Engineering Kolhapur at the top, then I will display this some images at the left side, I will display the one video at the right side. At the bottom, I will show you the some information like the contact of our college or any other like this. Means we are just describing how to display the information to the user. This is called as a markup language. But in the programming language, we are applying some arithmetic and logical operation on the number. This is called as a प्रोग्रामिंग लँग्वेज मध्ये आपण काय करतोय, ऑपरेशन्स अप्लाय करतोय आणि त्याचा रिझल्ट डिस्प्ले करतोय. पण मार्कअप लँग्वेज मध्ये काय करतोय, फक्त आपण एक स्ट्रक्चर करतोय, जस्ट लाईक दी आवर वर्ड डॉक्युमेंट और एक्सेल डॉक्युमेंट. वर्ड डॉक्युमेंट मध्ये आपण एक टेबल स्ट्रक्चर क्रिएट करतोय, टॉपला आपले हेडिंग फुटर वगैरे सेम काय काय देतोय, किंवा एखादी इमेज पण डिस्प्ले करतोय. सेम थिंग इज हिअर इन दी एचटीएमएल मध्ये काय करतोय, फक्त आपण ते using tag न करतो display. Okay, this is called as a markup language. Markup language is used to describe your information, how to display your information to the users. Means HTML uses the markup tag to describe the web pages to the users. This is called as a markup language. But in the programming language काय केलं आपण, we are accepting the two numbers, A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20. Then we are performing the addition, sum is equal to A plus B, and then we are going to display the sum, that is the 30 to the users. This is called as a programming language. Next one, our first example. Okay, if you are running the Windows, start Notepad. I will just go to the Notepad and just I will type this simple program. Okay, what is the starting tag of our any HTML document? HTML is an starting tag of any HTML document. Then every HTML document is divided into two parts. Which are the two parts? First one is the head part and second one is the body part. Okay, in the head part I have written there the title tag. What is the title tag? Title tag is used to display the title of your web pages. And within the body part, what we have written, this is the my first home page. Means body part contain the actual content which will be displayed to your users. This is the first example. Okay, now if you want to write any HTML web page, any HTML page, just go to the any text editor and just type this code. I will show you. Okay, just wait. Okay, but I'm preferring you to just go to the web Google and just search for a Sublime text editor. I'm just showing you Sublime text editor download exe. Okay, and you can download the text editor from this one. Okay, here the Sublime text editor available here. Just download this text editor. Okay, after downloading this text editor, just install and search for a Sublime. Sublime is a logo like this one, you can see here. Now I will open this Sublime text editor. Okay. This is the Sublime text editor. Now I will first save this web page. How to save? I will create the now I will go to the C. Within the C driver, go to D. Sorry, within this PC, go to D driver. Anywhere you want, and I will go to the one folder. New folder. Within same2 I will create OE, open elective, and within this I will create the demo. Okay, within this I will save the first web page, FIR first website dot html. Every file stored with one extension. Name of this extension is a dot html. Okay, now before going to this one, I will show you. Next slide are explain करूया. Next then I will go back. First example च्या आधी जरा slide explain करतो. Then I will go back. Every HTML document is considered the HTML tags. HTML tags are used to mark up HTML elements. Every HTML element is surrounded by angular bracket, open angular bracket, and close angular bracket. HTML tags are normally comes in the pair like star tag, that is which is written in the tag name, which is written in the open and close angular bracket, end tag, which is the same name but start with the forward slash. Okay, HTML tags are used to mark up the any HTML element. Every HTML element is surrounded by the bracket, that is the open and close angular bracket. HTML tags are come in the pair like start tag and end tag. Means we are written the tag name within the open and close angular bracket and start tag and end tag, but end tag starts with the forward slash. The text between the start tag and end tag is the element content. Whatever we are written in the text, whatever the text written within the start and end tag, which is called as the actual content, which will be displayed to the users. HTML tags are not any case sensitive. Okay, now you can see here every HTML document is divided into two parts. Okay, head part and body part. Entire document is enclosed within the open and close HTML tag. This is called as start tag and this is called as a end tag. Every HTML document is divided into two parts. First one is the head part and second one is the body part. Head part is enclosed within the head tag, open and start and end head tag. It provides the extra or it provides the information about the your web page. It is just like the metadata. Means this head are used. Head tag is used. It is used to give the information about your web pages. Within the head tag, it contains the more tag, which is can be used to specify the title of your web page, meta information about your web page. Second part of your web page is the body part, which is enclosed within the start body and end body tag. Within the body, it contains the information, that is the content which will be displayed to the users. Other tag can be embedded within the body. Means now I will show you. Just wait. We'll create the one web page. Okay. Open HTML tag and close HTML tag. Means your HTML document start with the open HTML tag and close with the end HTML tag. Is this visible to you? Hello? Please check. Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Now, HTML, it contains the two parts. First one is the head part. Okay. हेड पार्ट. आता प्रत्येक वेळी काय करायचं, ज्यावेळी तुम्ही स्टार्ट टॅग लिहिताय त्यावेळी त्याचा एंड टॅग लिहायचा, म्हणजे आपले टॅग विसरत नाहीत. ही प्रॅक्टिस तुमची ठेवा कायम. I will write here body and second tag is the body part. Okay, body. आता हेड पार्ट काय करतोय, इट गिव्ह दी information about your web page. Just I want to give the title for your web page. Title, TITLE, title. Okay. टायटल मध्ये आता टायटल देतोय मी काय KIT कॉलेज. ओके, KIT कॉलेज. आय विल शो यू आफ्टर रनिंग दिस वन. आणि बॉडी पार्ट म्हणजे काय, हॅलो एव्हरीबडी, हॅलो ऑल, हॅलो ऑल, वेलकम टू माय फर्स्ट वेबसाइट. Okay. Hello all, welcome to my first web page. Okay. We have written here the HTML tag. In the HTML tag, we have written the first one is the head tag and second is the body tag. Within the head tag, we have written the title. Title चं काय दिलं आपण KIT इंजिनिअरिंग कॉलेज म्हणजे हे डिस्प्ले होणार. Next one, within the body part, we have written there the hello all, welcome to my first website or my first web page. Means whatever the content which is present within the body which will be displayed to our users. आता काय केलं आपण बघा, हे पार्ट्स कुठं सेव्ह केलाय, DABP within ABP 2021, then web page OE and demos. Here is the first web page .html is available. Now just open with, choose the browser Google Chrome. Now you can see here, hello all, welcome to my first web page. Is this visible to you? Hello, please check.
Yes, sir.
हॅलो. ओके, हा म्हणजे आपण जे काय लिहिलंय त्याचं दिसतंय, हॅलो ऑल, वेलकम टू माय फर्स्ट वेब पेज इज अवेलेबल हिअर. ओके, देन नाव I will also now you can see here what is the title of your web page, the KIT college, but KIT college is not available here. Where is the KIT college title? You can see here is the on the tab. You can see KIT college title is displayed above the URL bar on the tab name. Page name असेल tab चं, त्याचं काय दिसतंय, now KIT college means it is just giving the information, means it will give you information. This is the web page, name of this web page is KIT college. Okay, this is the title of your web page. म्हणजे टायटल काय त्याचं KIT college. म्हणजे KIT college ऍक्च्युअली वेब पेज वरती डिस्प्ले होतंय का नाहीये, इट इज जस्ट शोइंग यू like the title of your web page, means it will give you information about your web page, means this whatever the content present within the head tag which will not be displayed to the users, but whatever the content present within the body part which will be displayed to your users. Okay, लक्षात आलं का सगळ्यांच्या? what is the title? Hello, all of you understood this one? What is the title tag and what is the body tag? Whatever the written within the body which will be displayed to users, and whatever the written within the head part which will be displayed as a, it will just give the information about your web page. You can see here within the head part we have written the title काय लिहिलंय, KIT college. हे KIT college कुठे दिसतंय, चेक करा. KIT college, it will be displayed here. You can see here the KIT college title is displayed here, KIT college, and hello all, welcome to my first web page, it will be displayed here. चेक करायचं. टायटल KIT college, it will be displayed here, KIT college. आता मी चेंज करतो, KIT कॉलेजचं KIT COK करतो, चेक करा. किंवा आता आपण काय करूया, ओपन इलेक्टिव्ह वेब डिझायनिंग. आता चेंज केलंय, देन आय एम जस्ट गोइंग टू रिलोड द वेब पेज. You can see here what is the title of your web page. Now title is web designing. Now you can see within the web browser, and hello all, welcome to first web page. Now what will happen, here is no need to compile our web page. There is no extra software is required to execute our HTML file. You already studied the C language. All branches students are studied already C language. Within the C language we need the code block as well as the turbo C to execute your C program. Otherwise we can't execute this C program. आपल्याला जर कोणताही प्रोग्राम एक्झिक्यूट करायचा असेल तर आपल्याला त्याचं सॉफ्टवेअर नेसेसरी लागत होतं, बरोबर. C++ किंवा जावा. जे ऑल अदर बेंचचे स्टुडंट आहेत त्यांनी पण C शिकलेले आहेत फर्स्ट इयरला, तर C मध्ये आपल्याला काय लागत होतं, कोड ब्लॉक किंवा टर्बोसी सॉफ्टवेअर लागत होतं किंवा जीसीसी कंपायलर लागत होता. ऍट द टाइम यू नीड दी वन सॉफ्टवेअर टू एक्झिक्यूट दी सी प्रोग्राम. बट whenever we are going to execute the HTML file, at that time we don't need a extra software. We need a only web browser. Web browser having the capability to render your tag, and the rendering your tag means they are sequentially rendering this tag. At the first tag, there is one head, there is a head, and there is one title tag. If this title tag is occurred, then whatever present within the title tag, they will display there. Then during the rendering your web browsers count there is one body tag. Whatever the content present within the body tag, then your web browser will display all these things on the web pages. Okay, suppose that if I will write here h1 tag. h1 tag काय करतोय तर हेडिंग h1 करणार आहे. चेक करा, लक्षात येईल तुमच्या. You can see here. Okay, now you can see here I have written here the h1 tag. Hello all, welcome to my first web page. What will happen? You can see here. Hello all, welcome to my first web page. म्हणजे हा काय झाला, हेडिंग झालेला आहे तयार. म्हणजे वेब ब्राउझर काय चेक करतोय, ड्युरिंग दी रेंडरिंग दिस युअर वेब पेज देयर इज वन टॅग इज एन्काउंटर्ड h1. Then your web browser will display this one as a heading tag. Heading whatever present. Hello all, welcome to my फर्स्ट वेब पेज. आणि हे वेब डिझायनिंग रेस्ट पार्ट आहे म्हणून तो ऍज इट इज डिस्प्ले केला आहे. ओके, म्हणजे वेब ब्राउझर काय करतोय, युअर वेब ब्राउझर विल रेंडर ऑल दिस टॅग अँड चेक व्हॉट इज द डेफिनेशन, ऑल द डेफिनेशन्स नोन टू दी युअर वेब ब्राउझर. वेब ब्राउझरला हे ऑलरेडी डेफिनेशन्स माहिती आहेत की h1 म्हणजे काय आहे, h2 म्हणजे काय आहे. यू कॅन सी हिअर. नाउ आय विल राईट हिअर h2 हेडिंग 2 heading 2 h3 heading 3. Now you can see here what will happen. First one is the heading 1, heading 2, heading 3 means they are decreasing the size whenever we are increasing the h1, h2, h3. h1 काय सगळ्यात लार्जेस्ट आहे, then h2 with second largest heading, h3 with third largest heading, like this one. Okay, so because our web browser already known they are known the definition about of a definition of h1 tag, h2 tag and h3 tag, and they are displaying the text according to this tag. Okay, so that we don't need any necessary software or supporting software on your machine. They can directly render and execute your web page. Okay, this is called as a HTML. Okay, now I will show you. I will go to next part. आता इथे लक्षात येईल तुमच्या बघा, HTML tag are used to mark up the HTML element. Every HTML tag is surrounded by the angular bracket. म्हणजे जे काय आपले HTML tags आहेत h1, h2, body means all these tags are surrounded by the open and close angular bracket. HTML tags are normally comes in the pair of a start and end tag. Start tag and end tag are same, expecting the end tag is starting with the / followed by the tag name. Text between the start and end tag, which will be element content, which will be displayed to the users. And HTML tags are not an case sensitive. HTML document structure. The entire document is enclosed within the open and close HTML tag. म्हणजे जे आपले HTML चे डॉक्युमेंट आहे त्याच्यामध्ये open and close HTML चे टॅग येणार. Then HTML document is divided into two parts. First one is the head part and second one is the body part. Head part is enclosed within the open and close head tag. It provides the information about your web page. Okay, it provides the information about your web page. Within the head tag, more tag can be used to specify the title of your web page. Meta information म्हणजे head part काय करते, it is just giving you the information about your web page. Means they are giving you one information. Which information? This is the KIT college. This is the web designing like this one. If you are running the multiple, so I will show you. Suppose that we are, I am just opening here Gmail. Now I am opening here Google. Now I will open here FE. Now you can see here. Here the title of first web page is the download Sublime text editor. Second web designing, which we have given already. This is the inbox of a Gmail. Then third one is the Google, and fourth is the State Common Entrance Test Cell, Government of Maharashtra. Means what is the purpose of a title tag? Title tag is giving you information about your web page. Means this information is not actually present on your web page, but they are giving you extra information about your web page. So this one is called as a head part. Means head part is just like the meta information. And body part is enclosed within the body part, and within the body part content is to be displayed. Means what you want to display on your web pages, which will be written within the body part. Other tag can be embedded in the body. Means all of you keep one thing in your mind. Every HTML document is divided into two parts. First one is the head part, and second one is the body part. Next one, HTML head element. The head element is the container for a metadata, means data about data, and it just placed between the open HTML and open body tag. HTML metadata is the data about HTML document, which metadata is not to be displayed. Metadata typically defines the document title, character set, styles, link, script, and other information. Now I will show you in some upcoming lectures what is meant by style, what is meant by link tag, what is meant by scripts, like this one. Okay. The following tag describe the metadata, which is called as a title. What is the title of your web pages? Which style you are going to apply, like this style sheet. Metadata like the which character set we are going to use. Link, if you want to link to the external CSS script, if you want to apply this some JavaScript base, like this one. Okay, means all this meta information will be written within the head part. Now I will show you another one. You can see here. I will show you just basic samples. Now I will write here some other one. You can see here H1. Within the H1 I will write the open elective. Now I will write here the open elective. H2 web designing. H1 to H6 I will show you. There are 6 heading tags. Okay, I will show you. There are 6 heading tags. Just wait. Okay, you can see here. Just wait. I will show you H1 heading. There are 6 heading tags. Now you can see 6 heading tag. I will show you. Just see. Localhost. Sorry, not necessary to run this web page. I will directly run. How to? heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, and heading 6. There are 6 headings are available here. Okay, understood this one? Hello, Yuvraj. Hello, Yuvraj.
Sir.
Okay, thank you. Means there are 6 headings. Now I will show you some interactive web page. I will show you H1. H1 मध्ये आपण लिहूया ओपन इलेक्टिव्ह H2 वेब डिझायनिंग HR is used to draw a one horizontal line. Okay, HR tag is used to draw a horizontal line. Now we will use what is by HTML. I will display here something about HTML. Just wait. Okay. Now we have added here this some H1 as a open elective, H2 as a web designing. Then we added here HR for a horizontal line. Then we have written here the HTML for H3, and then we have just written the 2 paragraphs. First one the HTML markup language, and second paragraph which is started with the web browser receive HTML documents like this one. Okay, so added here the 2 paragraphs, and then we added the body tag. Now we will see run this web page again. आता रन करायचं असेल तर काय करायचं, हे बघा चेक करा. Here is the open elective, web designing as a second one. Then here is the one horizontal line and HTML. पण आता इथे पॅराग्राफ आपल्याला सेकंड पॅराग्राफ ह्या वेब पासून पाहिजे होता, बट देर इज नो पॅराग्राफ या वेब ब्राउझर पासून. तर काय करणार आपण, at that time we will use the one tag. Name of this tag is the paragraph tag. P tag काय करतोय तर paragraph create करतोय. Now you can see here it will create the paragraph from the web browsers. Now you can see here there is a paragraph is created from the web browsers. Okay, इथं जरासं हेडिंग कमी करूया. हे जरा हेडिंग नंतर ह्याचं सॉरी नॉट ह्याचं वेब पेजेस हे जास्त आलं ते कमी करा. Open elective as a first one, web designing as a second H1, H3 for HTML, and we have created the 2 paragraphs. Okay, all of just you can see here. Okay. H1 open elective, H2 web designing, then HR for a horizontal line, H3 for a third one, that is heading 3. Then we have written the some text is here. If you want to add a paragraph tag, then you can use the P tag. P tag tells to our web browser. This one is the paragraphs. Okay, P stands for a paragraph tag. P काय सांगतोय तर तुमच्या वेब ब्राउझरला it tells to your web browser create a paragraph. Okay, there is no standard text size. We can add. Okay, we can add whatever we want. आपल्याला टेक्स्ट साईजचा आपण स्टाईल मध्ये जाऊन शिकणार आहे. किती करायचे आपण स्टाईल मध्ये आपण अजून जायचंय. स्टाईल मध्ये गेल्यानंतर आपण ते बघणार आहे किती करायचं ते. स्टाईल शीट मध्ये आपण ते देऊ शकतोय. ओके, Anyone is now again I will show you another one. Break tag. The break tag करा आता suppose मी इथं काहीतरी माझं नाव डिस्प्ले करतोय. Suppose author 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 करतो मी अजित बी पाटील. author अजित बी पाटील. ओके. आता हे author अजित बी पाटील मला बोल्ड टॅग मध्ये हवाय. Then I will add here the B tag. B tag for a bold. You can see here bold. Bold author अजित बी पाटील, मिस्टर अजित बी पाटील विथ बोल्ड. आता याच्यावरती मला एक अजून हॉरिझॉन्टल लाईन करायची, तर मी ते एक HR ऍड करतो. HR ऑथर अजित बी पाटील. Okay. Okay, all of you understood this one? Hello, everybody, please. Hello, please give your my response. Are you understanding or not? If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Other branch students. Other branch students, some are mechanical, some are from mechanical, electronics, some other from other branches. If you have any doubt, you can ask me, please. ओके. आता इथे आपण एक ऍट्रिब्यूट यूज करतोय. आय विल जस्ट यू ह्या जर टॅग मध्ये आता बॉडी मध्ये आपण बीजी कलर म्हणून एक ऍट्रिब्यूट यूज करतोय. बीजी कलर. इफ यू आर युजिंग द ऍट्रिब्यूट्स मध्ये बीजी कलर मग करतोय CYAN. कलरचं नाव देतो येलो. CYAN लगेच नाव येलो. Okay. Suppose that we have given there the within the body part BG color. BG color is equal to yellow. Okay. Now you can see here what will happen there on our web page. Color is added in the background. Okay. आपल्याला background color use करायचा असेल तर आपण attribute use केलेला आहे. कोणता attribute? Which attribute we have used here? BG color is equal to yellow, which is applied on the body. We have used the one attribute. Attribute name is BG color equal to value, and then we have given the color is yellow. Then what will happen? It will apply the background color is yellow for your web page. Okay. All of you understood this one? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, all of you. If you have doubt, you can ask me. Hello, all of you. If you have doubt, you can ask me. हे तुमच्या बरोबर स्पीडला मॅच होते का सगळ्यांच्या? हॅलो. इज दिस स्लो और फास्ट और ओके? Okay, thank you, all of you. Most of the students are giving the it is fine. Okay. Other branch students can give your reply. Some students from mechanical electronics backgrounds, please give your response. It is too fast or too slow or just fine? Okay. Thank you, all of you. Today we'll stop here. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Otherwise, you can leave meeting. Thank you.